Hey guys, it's Neeraj and welcome back to yet another vlog and happy Durga Puja to every one of you and happy Dussehra, happy Navratri. Do you know him? Of course you know him. So this is Nikhil and today we are back for some pandal hopping. So yeah, this vlog is gonna be a fun vlog. You're gonna basically see Durga Puja through our eyes, and there's a lot of noise here. But yeah, the first Durga Puja that we have, the first pandal that we have come to visit is the Heat Kiss pandal, which is owl-themed pandal. So yeah, it's really pretty. We saw Ma was also very pretty. So yeah. This is a guilty pleasure. This is called Mathura cake. It's like you know, donuts, like sugar donuts, but it's kind of a Indianized version, or like a Odia version. But yeah, it's nice. While we come to like pandals and melas, these are my favorite. Like and these are everyone's favorites. So, yeah. Hey guys, so we are at our second pandal of the day, which is the Ramana pandal, and it looks so pretty. And this reminds both of us of something really special that we had done together last year or last year?
Last year.
Not last year.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, last year. So we went to Mayapur, and it has the largest ISKCON temple in the world, and this pandal is inspired from that temple. Go inside and have darshan of Durga Ma.
Yeah.
So, and then we'll have something to eat because I think we are
Hungry.
yeah,
What a lot.
because our stomachs
Are killing us. Exactly.
क्योंकि हमारे पेट में चूहे दौड़ रहे हैं.
Bye.
Bye.
So yeah.
तो अभी हम खा रहे हैं मोमोज. मेरे को मनी था. बहुत गर्म है. अरे रूहा बहुत गर्म अच्छी.
Cute, right? How is it? Good.
Very good.
Out of 10?
8.
मतलब बहुत अच्छा है. अगर दीदी 8 दे रही तो बहुत ही अच्छा है.
हाँ. बहुत मसाला डाल दिया.
उनका बिजनेस वही है.
Hey guys, so we are at our next pandal, which is the Rasulgarh one, and this is so beautiful. We have heard about this all over the internet, and it's so viral. You already must have seen this.
Yeah.
Like a temple on a pahad. So
Yep.
that's the theme of this pandal. What?
Can I climb that?
You want to?
Yes.
I don't think you can. Anyways, हम ऐसे लेम जोक्स तो मारते ही रहते हैं बस. या अंदर चलते हैं एंड दर्शन करते हैं.
पकड़ो. मेरी हाइट लंबी तो कुछ भी करवाएगी. आइसक्रीम
We are having ice cream.
कौन
सांगो कहाँ है?
कौन कट कर दे
कट कर दो.
अरे कट कर दे
So guys, we are having dinner.
Yep.
We are having pav bhaji. We have a slice of pizza here.
Yo.
The main pizza is there. We have chole bhature here. खाते हैं और क्या?
खाते हैं और क्या बुड्ढी खा 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 मटन की देख रहे हो
ठीक ही है. Decent. Not good. अरे हम पियेंगे कोल्ड कॉफी.
यू कैसे
बहुत अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा. अगर तुम रसूलगढ़ आ रहे हो, you are coming to Rasulgarh, then try the cold coffee here. It's really good. But don't try the pav bhaji and the chole bhature. It's not good. Chole bhature you can try. Pav bhaji. Pizza also you can try. So guys, मेरा एक झुमका इधर है वैसे क्योंकि दर्द हो रहा था. But anyways, so we could not like it is too much traffic. So we decided not to go to this pandal. We will see it from outside only because it's very clear from here only. This is a peacock themed pandal.
यस
And it looks so pretty. And this one, it's made all from jute. By the way, this one is the Bhumikal one.
Yep.
So yeah,
Oh, it's so good.
so pretty. And now we are going to the old station bazaar, right?
Yes.
I guess so. Yeah. इतना अजीब लग रहा है. एक साइड में झुमका, एक साइड में तूने होठों से लगाई तो
जमा हो गया
Hey guys, so we are at our next pandal. It's already 10:30 at night and we are at Old Station Bazaar. This is my most favorite pandals of
and one of the most creative pandals.
like every year my most favorite pandal has to be the Old Station Bazaar. Last time when we came here it was not yet like built, like the whole thing was not functioning.
Yeah.
And we could not see any pandal, but this time I can see from here only how pretty this looks. We'll show you guys how amazing this looks. I don't think we're gonna eat anymore because we are already full. We had the best cold coffee of our life.
True.
One of the best cold coffees of our life. But yeah, we're gonna do maybe shopping or something, and then we'll go to another pandal, and then we'll end the day. But yeah, अभी के लिए ये चलते हैं. चलो. So the theme outside here is
Shiv Taundav.
Shiv Taundav, but inside the theme is different. So we'll go inside and we'll check out for ourselves what the theme is inside. तो मैं मेरे बालों के साथ खेलने को कौन बोला? Anyways, चलो अंदर चलते हैं.
Sudah 50 se factura por demo. 50 factura por demo.
You see how pretty this pandal is. It's definitely the prettiest pandal that we've ever seen. This is basically upside down Bhubaneswar. You can see the entire Bhubaneswar from here. Like here you can see the railway station. And there you can see Ram Mandir, Lingaraj Mandir. So many temples and it's so pretty. guys, so we are at the next pandal, which is the Shahid Nagar pandal. This is also one of the prettiest pandals of this year. It is based on something.
Warfare. The mixture of warfares of today's as well as the time of Mahabharata.
So we are gonna be going in. We can see Durga Ma from here only. She looks so good, so pretty. Every year here there is a Chandi design Durga Ma. So this time it's also the same, and yeah. So that's it for this vlog. It was a short kind of vlog and had nothing much, but I think हमने बहुत मस्ती किया. बहुत तो नहीं घूमा, पर जितना भी घूमा बहुत लगा. And yeah, that was all about it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button, and we'll see you in the next one. Till then,